just like the one I sent Chris Lessage. Let's fire this thing up. All right, fired up for a second pour. Let's let that get good and hot. We'll be pouring a nice copper bar right there. She's hot. Won't be long now. Almost there. Might have to wipe out a little bit of slag. Very close. You want your mold to be hot, good and hot. I cracked one already. It wasn't hot enough. She's hot. And she's beautiful. Hey, love! Beautiful. Look at that goodness. All right, let's drop that thing in the water. Just a little rougher than I was hoping for, but I'm going to take my saw and cut them edges off. Make that nice and flat. Let's go find out how much she weighed and get her cleaned up a little bit. It's a beauty. I know it's not as big as that copper bar that I gave Chris Lessage. We got 1 pound, 13 ounces. Beautiful. Scrapping with Grandpa. Scrapping with Grandpa, my first bar for the collection. SWG YouTube. I'm going to save that in my collection. I won't be selling it. I will not be selling that bar whatsoever. I'm going to flatten it back out here. Scrapping with Grandpa. I love it. I'm really impressed with this though, is my copper shot. I love it. I can't wait to start selling it on eBay and find out if it sells or not. That's the plan. Probably won't sell bars, but I do plan on selling copper shot. We'll see. Now, until I build a stand, I'm gonna start putting my copper down there, right down there. That's a beauty. Scrapping with Grandpa. All right. So I'm gonna build a shelf, or possibly open up one of these drawers and use it. I haven't figured it out yet, but we will.